Alright guys, welcome back to AWMFX. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, no matter where you are. So here I'm going to talk about a case study, a trade that I did yesterday night but failed. Alright, that's why I already told you before, sometimes trading is about that. It's about losing and winning. It's not always about winning only. Sometimes it's about losing. But if you lose this trade, you must know why. What's the reason? So today, this morning, I gonna do a post-mortem on this trade. Why did I lost this trade? So first of all, let's dive into small time frame because I was looking at a very small time frame. So let me cut this trade at this area. So first of all, let me take this out. All right, so what I did was that I saw a QM at this area. So if you guys do not know QM, maybe you might watch one of my educational video that I'm gonna suggest to you. What is QM? So it's making the movement, all right, higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low at this area. Then what happens is that this movement breaks, okay, breaks the previous high. So this is qualified as a QM buy setup. QM buy setup. So what I did was that I saw something at this QM level. That is a bullish engulfing. Where is my text? Yeah. So I saw a bullish engulfing. So where is my bullish engulfing? There it is. These two candle over here. Candlestick number 1 and candlestick number 2. All right, so this two is qualified as a bullish engulfing. Not only that, so if I put a horizontal line at this area, you can see that there is a lot of rejection. So once there is a lot of rejection and the price came down, okay, before it went up, so this is qualified as a good MPL decision point. Sorry, this is a good decision point. And what I did was that I placed my order over here. Since this is a bullish engulfing, so my stop loss will be just like this. I might change it smaller. Yes. So my stop loss was around 6-8 pips. I've forgotten. Very small, I know. Yeah, somewhere around there because it's 15 minutes. So anyway, it does not turn out well. This trade failed. So from here, I learned something. So what did I learn? So for currency pair, okay, this is a big tips for you. So listen up, guys. For currency pair, most currency pair, if you're trying to trade what I'm doing, the bullish engulfing, or the bearish engulfing, it don't work well. Okay, I won't say that it does not work at all, but it does not work well. So my experience with H1, H4 or daily chart, fantastic. Okay, almost 80%. I'll say really 80%. It it really do have this potential, very big potential. All right. So where else? If you some of you guys like to trade gold, all right, XAUUSD, smaller time frame bearish engulfing does work well. So listen up. For currency pairs, small time frame bullish and bearish engulfing does not really works well, but for gold, it works very well. Why? I don't know. I don't know for right now. So anyway, let me dive back into this case study. What was my mistake? Okay, so first of all, let me switch it to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So my mistakes over here was that as you can see, the price came down. It really came down. Let me go there. All right, it came down and retest, reject. So my problem here was that once it reject, it came back down. So there is no how should I say, when the price went down and then goes back up, it does not form any fresh demand zone of its own. And then when the second time the price came down, I didn't get out from this trade. So this was one of my mistakes. So anyway, the price retest a few times and then went down, right? What happened? All right. The price went down and then stopped me out. Did I cry? No. Uh, what I did was that I just looked at it because I have to learn something from my mistake, or should I say from a lesson. Okay, I pay for it, right? I pay some of the fund for it. But anyway, it does not harm my account. Stop loss is so small, too small. So what happened here was that the price did rebound. All right, did rebound at this area, particular at this area. All right, particularly at this area. Sorry, at this area. So of course, if we switch it back to 50 minutes, there is nothing there. There is nothing there. So 5 minutes, there might be some zone. There might be some zone. Sometimes there will be this kind of trade. So this zone was the one that the price reacting to this zone from here to here. This was the zone the price was reacting to, and this zone was fresh. All right, so this zone was fresh too. So anyway, don't have to cry over spilled milk, but just need to know why does it happen. See, exactly at this point, and the price reverse. All right, and the price reverse. So where is the, if some of you are still in this trade, or some of you might be in this trade, my first take profit will be definitely here, because this is another zone. This is what we call as a fresh supply zone, ultimate fresh supply zone. So anyway, the price has went back up. All right, slowly. So nothing to cry about, but just that need to monitor and learn from it, because I pay some money to learn. All right, due to the loss trade. But anyway, this was not the only trade that I went in. All right, so I have to be honest, not every time I win trades. This was a very bad losing trade. So anyway, I have another one that was GBPCAD. GBPCAD, this trade, it makes me very, very, how should I say, very sad. Very, very sad. Reason why is that there is another QM level 2 at this point. So the price came down, went up, came down, and then it broke the previous high. So this is qualified as a QM. Then the price slowly come back down. Same thing, there is a bullish engulfing over here. What the fish? All right, so I placed my trade at this point, and then it got stopped out immediately. Then what happened? What happened was that I did place another second trade. All right, I did place another second trade. So this time around, I placed my trade here at this fresh zone, this zone. All right, this zone over here. So yesterday I got 2 stop loss. So I placed my zone, but anyway, I just need to show you how big was my stop loss. How big was my stop loss? Not much. Not much. Not much. 7.5, 8 pips. That's all. 8 pips. So anyway, this is the second trade that I placed in. Very, very honest. If you look at it, some of you might ask me, how come this is not qualified as a bullish engulfing instead of this one? So for me, this does not consider as bullish engulfing. Reason is that the body and the shadow of these two candle is too close. Okay, the difference is very, very minimal. So I will only take this as a fresh zone, fresh demand zone. So what happened was that the price came to this area. All right, came to this area, trigger, and then went up. All right, went up, nice, beautiful. All right, to this zone. It does not reach this zone, but I'm already out of this trade. I'm already out of this trade. So sometimes life might give you lemon, so you're gonna make lemonade out of it. So I have two stop loss. 8 pips, 8 pips is around 16 pips, and I have how big, let me see, from here to here, 70 pips profit. So that is why I always say that I like sniper entry. All right, I really like sniper entry, and hopefully you guys understand, learn a few tricks or tips about trading, support, resistance, and QM level on a smaller time frame. So this is the case study of what happened yesterday. All right, so see you guys in video tomorrow. I'll say tomorrow, because today is Friday. I already post 2 video, so I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and I'm gonna make more educational videos based on some of the comment that you guys asked. All right, so stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Bye.